It is 1:41 a.m. December 4th, 2019. I've put approximately 1 million hours into what was going to be an Arri 235, but I didn't really get as far as I wanted to. So I've just got some rough cut parts here. Actually, the magazine is pretty well fleshed out. This little swooshy thing here isn't really flat like that, but anyhow, I got the shape right, and this little hump on the bottom is pretty critical because the weight of the camera is borne by the bottom of the magazine and the hump. So all this is correct, and that really is the critical stuff, the curves on the profile on the bottom. And here's the riser plate. The riser plate is milled out to 3 different depths, and there are 2 little stainless steel blocks that are held in by 4 screws each. The purpose of that is, well, they have 3/8 inch threads in them, and it's nice how they distribute the load throughout the block there. And then there's these little bushings here for the orientation pins on tripods. This one is oblong, and this one here is round. And these little stainless steel plates are held in by, oops, where's the move component? What? Oh, sorry, rotate component. There we go. The screws turn. I don't know why the whole thing's moving. It should be fixed. Well, anyhow, something's not fixed in place here because the whole thing shouldn't move when I turn the screws. Now we've got a oops. I'm trying to pan it, which requires 2 hands. There we go. We've got a nice lens made of zirconium. That was expensive, almost as expensive as a real lens. The profile of the camera is correct. What's not correct is, no, I guess that's correct too, the distance between the plane of the camera and the plane of the magazine side. So the magazine has got a lid on it. It's kind of hard to make out, but it's it's held in place right now. I can't pull it off. Not really sure what else to say about this other than Zowie. 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, it's supposed to have 8 parts. 1, 2, 3. Those don't count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I guess I got 9 parts. Anyhow, that's it.